Alright, guys, next to the wall I've built, I also made some nice magnetic board. So it's not magnetic paint, it's actually recycled wood frame which I've made. And you can see the different magnets we have here. So from all over the world, basically. Okay, and the way it was made, it was, well, a kind of unusual. The first thing I did is I screwed sheet metal to the wall. Then I painted it over with some rust-like paint, and only then I made the frame for the magnetic board around it using recycled wood. So it's much more efficient than the magnetic paint. The magnetic paint is really expensive. The sheet metal only cost somewhere around $2. Then I screwed that to the wall. The paint was like $5 more, and that was it. And the wood came for free. Okay, so, and it's much stronger. All the magnets attached to it really neatly. So you can see this is a magnet. Oh, it's kind of tough to pull it off. So really nice. So that was the magnetic board which I've made, and it works pretty well on the wall here. And I've also used recycled wood around the kitchen. So you can see here, this is recycled wood deco wall, and then we have the clock. And obviously some of the things in the kitchen are from the recycled wood as well. So the bottom of this counter you can see, and overall it came out pretty nice.